Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2017 the Ford F-350 Super Duty. Stock number is 7342. Let's take a virtual peek at this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. It's absolutely flawless. This is the FX4 package, of course. Comes equipped with a Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8 motor. This truck has just over 30,000 miles. And as we make our way around the rear, we're going to show you the exterior driver's side. Running boards. Wait till you see this interior. Absolutely impeccable. Leather, of course. Ample legroom for your friends and family that might be accompanying you on a trip or a drive. Does have moonroof. Let's go up to the front and put you in the driver's seat. Absolutely impeccable. Sunset Ford, home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, at no extra cost to you. Find out what everybody's talking about. Come down, see us in person, call us, email us, or text us. Hopefully we can earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.